Welcome home to Hammock Oaks, an all-ages master plan community in Lady Lake, Florida, featuring home sites with gorgeous oak tree views, cul-de-sac streets, and an unbeatable location. Choose from some of our most popular 1- and 2-story single-family home designs, offering open concept living and options for a 2nd-story loft or 1st-floor flex space, perfect for a playroom, home office, or extra bedroom. The best part about purchasing your new home with us is working with our team to design and build your home your way. You get to choose your floor plan, home site, and interior finishes. We are so excited to feature our brand new interior design palettes here at Hammock Oaks, offering fresh and up-to-date options as well as modern and classic choices. You will love our straightforward design process and transparent pricing too. Once construction is underway, you will receive weekly progress updates from us, including videos and pictures. We are the only builder in the area who keeps you informed every step of the way. Hammock Oaks is conveniently located with easy access to Highway 27, I-75, and the Turnpike. We are less than 5 minutes away from endless shopping, dining, and entertainment at the villages, including Lake Sumter Landings and Spanish Springs Town Square, where you can find Publix, Chipotle, Starbucks, free nightly entertainment, a farmer's market, and so much more. When you want to explore the outdoors, head over to Lake Griffin State Park, where you can take a nature tour or spend the afternoon fishing. Check out Heritage Park, home to a 200-year-old oak tree, colorful flowers, and a gazebo, the perfect place for a picnic. When you're ready to enjoy the Florida sun, drive your golf cart over to the amenity center and spend some time at the pool or relaxing under the cabana with a good book. Take your kids to the playground or play a friendly game of soccer on the activity lawn. We even have a dog park for your pups. Here at Ryan Homes, we make it easy for you with our in-house lender and streamlined purchase process so that you can focus on the fun part, building your dream home. We will be here for you along the way to answer any questions you may have. We can't wait to welcome you home.